crocodile came to the apple tree. I'm hungry. Please may have two apples. I really like them. Then he came every day, and one day he said, the crocodile said, please give me 2 apples. One is crocodile and one to his wife. Every day he came to his apple tree and ate his tasty apples. And he also listened his funny stories. One day, the crocodile's wife had an idea. From this apple is taste. So why do you don't eat her heart of monkey? You will be clever just like him. So the crocodile come to the apple tree and said, thank you for these apples. Thank you for these apples. Come to my home. We will lunch. We have a lunch together. So when the clever monkey reached at crocodile's home, crocodile said to monkey, I have to eat your heart. And the clever monkey thought quickly, oh no, I have left my heart at home. Let's go back and bring it. So the crocodile and monkey came to the apple tree. Wait for here, I can bring my heart. Then the clever monkey climbed up the tree and said at the top. The monkey said to the crocodile, ungrateful my friend. He shouted, ungrateful my friend. No thank you for these apples too. You cannot have my apples and you cannot have my heart too. The clever monkey laughed. Ha ha ha. Thank you. See you in the next video.